I'm Alex. This is Go Along with Alex, and let's multiply matrices with Rust. We're going to use the ND array crate, specifically the R2 method, and perform matrix multiplication using the array base dot method. So let me create a new cargo project called multiplying matrices, and let's change into that project. And then let me open the cargo.toml and add a dependency for ND array, and we're going to use version 0.15.6. Great. Let's update the main.rs to use ND array R2. Oops. Great. Okay, now let's update the main function body. I'll leave the println macro for now. So let's bind a variable called a, ar r2, and then we'll use a reference to some vectors. So we'll do 1, 2, 3. Oops. Lots of oopsing today. It's all good. And then 4, 5, 6. Okay, and close that off with a semicolon. Next, let's do an array called b. Let b equals arr2. This one will have the opposite shape. So we'll do 6, 3. And we'll do 5, 2. And then finally, 4, 1. Close it off with a semicolon. Great. Okay, now let's take out a couple of these extra lines, update our println macro, replace the hello world with just empty curly braces, and then we want to populate the curly braces with a dot and then a reference to b. And this will be our matrix multiplication. So let's save this and then do cargo run and see our results. So again, we're installing the ND array crate, and then very shortly we should have our math output to our terminal. Lovely. And you can see our result there. This was a quick demo of matrix multiplication with ND array crate in Rust. So I hope you got a little value out of this. I'm Alex. This is Go Along with Alex, and I hope I see you next time. Bye.